In 1886, Sri Ramakrishna had fallen very sick. One day he called Naren and said to him, "I'm transferring all my spiritual power to you. With this great power, you will help the people of the world and serve humanity." Sri Ramakrishna passed away on the 16th of August 1886. Galvanized by Naren's influence, some of the disciples left their homes to become monks. They all lived an intense spiritual life to realize God and established a monastery in a dilapidated house in Baranagar, Calcutta, with Naren emerging as their guiding light. After becoming a monk, Swami Vivekananda embarked on a journey spanning India's length and breadth. Sometimes he stayed in humble cottages in villages, and sometimes he resided in the cities. Occasionally he graced the palaces of Maharajas, and sometimes even under trees on the road. This exposure unveiled the profound destitution endured by the masses of India. Vivekananda was once at a railway station. His body weakened from days of deprivation. Overwhelmed by hunger and exhaustion, he sought respite beneath a tree on the brink of collapse. In this dire state, a voice reached his ears, accompanied by the sight of a man carrying food. Astounded, Vivekananda inquired, "How did you locate me and discover my hunger?" The man shared a remarkable tale. While asleep, he sensed an attempt to rouse him. Devoted to Lord Rama, he heard a divine directive urging him to prepare food for a hungry sadhu lying in the shade beneath a tree near the railway station. Vivekananda was in total awe. This occurrence reinforced his awareness of the hand of God that protected him in every situation.